Hi, Lyric.
Hi.
What are we going to work on today?
Alex book.
You're going to work in your ABC Alex Smart Book?
Yes.
Okay,
I don't want to be an A.
Yeah, we're going to write your letters?
Yes.
Okay, sit up.
Look at the touch.
Okay, today, Lyric,
I'm asleep.
today we're going to work on our beginning sounds, okay?
Okay.
It says, let's see what the direction says. It says, say the name of the picture and write the missing letter to complete the spelling of the word. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so the first picture, sit up. What's this a picture of?
Goat.
Goat. So what letter is missing right here to spell the word goat? G, H, or T? Which letter for goat?
G.
Circle it. Circle the letter G.
Circle.
Oh, you're going to trace it. Circle the whole letter. Good job. Next, sit up. What's this picture?
Kite.
Kite. So what letter is missing to spell the word kite? B, G, or K for kite? Which letter?
K.
Good job. Circle it. You're going to trace it instead, but go ahead. Good tracing, Lyric. What's this a picture of?
Necklace.
No, it's a ring.
Ring.
Ring. So what letter is missing to spell the word ring? N, R, or S for ring? What letter?
N.
Sit up. What letter for ring?
N.
Ring.
R.
Good. Circle the R. Good. So for goat, the letter G was missing, so goat is spelled G-O-A-T. Goat. The next one you did was a kite, right?
Yes.
The letter K was missing. You spell kite K-I-T-E. Kite.
I got touch.
Yes, and then the last one you did was ring. You spell ring R-I-N-G. Ring. Let's do the next one. What is this?
Fan.
Fan. So what letter is missing to spell fan? P, S, or F for fan?
F.
Good job. Circle it. Good job.
You see it?
Look, sit up. Do the next one. What is this?
Dog.
So what letter is missing to spell the word dog? Which one of these letters? Z, D, or M for dog?
D.
Good job. Circle it.
Circle. And let's stick down.
Good job, Lyric. Good tracing. One more. Do you know what this is?
Make it.
It's a nurse.
Nurse.
Yes. So which letter is missing for the word nurse? R, J, or N for nurse?
J.
No. Listen. Nurse.
N.
Good job. Circle it. Good tracing. So you have fan for F. F-A-N spells fan. And then this one was a dog. The missing letter was D, spelling dog. D-O-G. And the last one was a nurse. The letter N was missing. Nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Yay! Lyric, you did good. Did you like doing your beginning sounds?
I did touch.
Yeah, we'll do more in just a minute. Did you like doing that? Was it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? thumbs up. Tell everyone, how old are you?
2.
You're 2 years old. And do you know how to, tell everyone, what's your name?
Lyric.
Lyric. How do you spell lyric?
L-Y.
Mm-hmm.
L-I-Y-I-C. Lyric.
Spell it again. Spell lyric.
L-Y-Y-I-C. Lyric.
Good job. Say till next time.
Till next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.